I'm Sherwin, Director of Product Management and Innovation at Garlock.
And I'm Jim Drago, Principal Applications Engineer.
And we're here to talk about how Garlock promotes a culture of safety, guided by excellence and innovation. So Jim, tell me, who are our customers and what do they care about?
Our customers are the process industries, and they care about keeping their plant sites safe for their workers and for the people around them, keeping the environment clean, and they also are concerned with making great products for their customers.
And how do we help them achieve these goals?
We help them achieve this in a couple of different ways. One example I can give you is purity. Our Gylon 3522 and our BioPro products are used in the semiconductor, food, beverage, pharmaceutical, and biopharmaceutical industries. They help keep the media inside their pipelines. They help keep them pure. They also keep those media inside the pipeline to keep their workers safe. Another way is fugitive emissions. Our EVSP and our 1303 FEP products keep fugitive emissions inside valves and pipelines. This helps in a couple of ways. Number one, it keeps the plant site safe for workers. It also helps keep valuable media inside the pipeline, product that the customer could sell. Lastly, and almost most importantly, it helps them comply with federal regulations on fugitive emissions, which protects our environment and keeps the air around these plants clean for the general public.
Great insights, Jim. Thanks for sharing.